Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Tiffany. Thank you so much for tuning in for today's video. So, I've gotten a lot of compliments on my twist here over the past couple of days, and it's been a while since I've done my hair this way, and my hair is definitely longer. But I decided to do it because one, it is hella hot, and two, I needed something that was easy to maintain over the next couple of days because I am being lazy and I don't feel like doing my hair. So I came up with these twists. I did record a tutorial on that, and you can find that here or there, wherever the little box pops up, and you can check that out if you want to see the entire process and what products I use to do my twist this way. These twists have been in for at least 4 days, and they don't look that bad. So if you want to see some style ideas using twist, or if you have your hair in a style like this, just keep watching. All right guys, so here we are. This has been really my go-to style for the twist, and primarily because when I did these twists, I parted my hair straight down the middle because I had other intentions for my hair. So I parted it straight down the middle, and I was like, oh my gosh, I should have probably put some like in the back of my head, but it worked out perfectly fine. But today's video is going to be showing you some styles that you can do to increase the longevity of your twist style if you don't feel like washing it out over the next couple of days. So I was going to do hair charms. Primarily the reason why they're not in my hair now is I can't find them. So you can add hair jewelry, hair charms to these twists if you wanted to. But this has been my primary go-to style. So I'm going to take you through that process of how I pin these up. All you need is some bobby pins and maybe a hair tie to create some of these styles. And alright guys, before we get started on today's video, I want you to do me a huge favor. Go ahead and click that subscribe button for me. If you're like seeing these videos, hair tutorials, hair informationals, whatever you want to call them, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me so you can get notified the next time I upload a video to my channel. Now, the great thing about this hairstyle and having so many twists is that you can style it in relatively many different ways, and that's a great thing if you're looking for a style that's you don't have to manipulate a lot of. Like, you can just kind of go with the flow. It's sort of like a wash and go. It gives you a lot of variety as far as your styles, especially if you're working, if you're a busy mom. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay guys, so this was the initial style. As you can see, it's parted straight down the middle. So if you wanted to, you can wear your hair like this, of course, like it's mean. Or another suggestion would be, say for instance you have a favorite part or a good side. You can definitely part it there and then style your twist that way, whichever is easier for you. So I have done my twist where I do my normal part, which is to the side right here, and majority of my hair falls this way. But being that I'm kind of liking the down the middle part lately, I thought it would be a good way to just kind of mix things up. So you can definitely wear your hair just plain Jane down all the way down. You can still throw it back if you wanted to. Like I said, there's still like a part here, but I think overall, no matter how you kind of try to wear it, it's not that bad. You can definitely wear it that way, so you have it just all down if you wanted to, okay? So for the next style, all you're going to need are a few bobby pins. And I just have a few here. And as I said, my go-to style was actually pulling just a few strands back to where it just wasn't falling in my face. So you can do it that way as well. So I'm just going to look here to my mirror just to kind of see what the world I'm doing. And I'm just going to take maybe about 4 bobby pins. So I have 4 of these. And I'm going to pull a couple of these back. So I may take these few here in the front. Actually a couple more. So I have like, let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Take just a few of these and just pull them back. And then I kind of like twist them just a tad bit so they don't stick up. So you're just twisting them. Just twist them with my finger. And you can either use a rubber band if you prefer, or you can use the bobby pins. And because I don't have any rubber bands near me, we're going to go ahead and use the bobby pins. So I'm going to turn around so you guys can see what I'm doing. enjoy this video. As promised to some of my Instagram followers out there, I had polled you guys the other day to ask whether or not you wanted to see more videos on my Instagram feed, and surprisingly a lot of people said yes. So I'm going to start back incorporating those videos onto my IG feed, and I may feature some videos within my IGTV as well. So let me know if that's something that's easier for you guys, that you prefer. I don't mind doing it at all. Whatever it is to make it easier for you to get the content, to be able to use it and try it out to see what works best for you. Again, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in to today's video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.